Hi folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. In today's video I'm going to show you how to tie a spade end hook to nylon. And to do that I'm going to use this. This is a hook tyer. This particular one is called the Matchman Hooktyer. There are other versions around. I'm sure they all do the same kind of job, but this is just the one I prefer. So let's get on with it, shall we? So before we start the actual hook tying, this is my spool of line. And you need to get some pressure on it, so I've just put this mallet on top of it to keep the pressure on the line when I use it. Normally I use quite a small hook, like a 14 or a 16, maybe an 18 for using on hooked nylon, but today I'm going to use this one, which is something like a size 12 or 10. As you can see, got a nice spade end on it, and what we do is take the hook tyer. Make sure that this post is raised by pushing up from there. Loosen off the knob at the bottom and then take your hook and put it in the jaws of the hook tyer so that the shank of the hook is in the center of the jaws. There we go, tighten down and we're ready to start tying. Take your line, take it around the back of both posts, back around again like so, and then start to twist the Matchman hook tyer. I generally do about 9 turns or 10 turns, but it's up to you. Some people only use 6, others use 11. So that's about enough for now. And take the tag end around the back of the first post and then push the post down so it traps the line. You can now pull the line, making sure you keep pressure on this finger. Pull the line towards you until it's tight but not too tight. You're not tying the full hook yet. You can now let go and the thing will hold itself in position. Release the knob. And as you do so, pull away and the tag end is pulled through the knot, and that's why you didn't tighten it up to start with. You can now pull tight, as you see, and the only thing you have to do now is to make sure that the hook is correctly tied by just dressing it around until the line comes off the front of the spade. Pull tight. Just check, and there you are, perfectly tied hook. Oops, there we go, and you see that it sits quite neatly on the line, and that's how to tie a spade end hook. So there you go folks, it's as simple as that, really easy and straightforward. Hope you found it useful. If you did, feel free to click the like button as usual. If you want to subscribe, you can do that too. Bye for now.